Hi, here September 25th, 2024 at East 90th Street. Central Park, and just realized I don't have the mic on me, but figure let's keep rolling it. I want to talk today about the 2024 New York City Marathon. I will not be running it, and I'm in it. Haven't canceled it yet, but I will cancel it and I will move it to next year. And man, I love how peaceful it is here that I feel like I don't even need a mic as I'm speaking to the camera right now. The decision not to run it was an easy one after I got my MRI results. How I got myself into this whole situation in the first place, not being fully trained for it, hurting myself, and now this journey 4 years later and still continuing to go on the most amazing journey. I feel like I say that every single video that I post, and it's true. So the MRI results, what did they lead to? They led to me resting more, right? Wearing socks when I do my best stretch ever class, wearing shoes that have more cushion in them, just being more kind to my feet. And the good news is that I'm feeling better and better and better and better each day. And even running, last week I ran fairly faster than I've run in a long time. I pushed it and I feel good. So that's good. And what I'm dealing with, I don't even mention it anymore. I'm sure I'm going to make a video on it, and I have videos previously that mention the MRI results. But my toe is feeling so much better. And my ankle, where the surgery was done, amazing. So I'm getting stronger, and also the pressure and just going at my pace is setting me up well. And I'm looking forward to the marathon in 2025. And what I'm really looking forward to is today. Maybe I'll run later on, maybe I won't. Just going at a pace, listening to my body. What has helped me is letting my body rest and being okay with it. And also getting my foot checked out again. It took me a while to get this MRI, but this time walking around barefoot underneath my toe was like, it was stopping me in my tracks. Set up the appointment, got the MRI, probably like gave it a good 3 months of that pain until I got the MRI. Once I got the results, it was clear that, okay, rest. And that's what I'm doing, and my body's healing. So if there's anything that I'm learning, is that the body wants to heal, right? So any pains that I'm feeling is a quick notification to me. Hey, Mike, check in on that, have that conversation, and it'll bring you here to today. So this video is just for an update on the 2024 marathon. I can't wait, and I'm sure I'm gonna be here, cheer people on, and I'm in a good place. And future Mike, if and when you watch this video, go for it. Go for it. Love you.